Today on the show, I figured we would do an NA cocktail because, as I said, we're gonna be doing a lot more of these NA cocktails. I really think that we have not done a very good job catering to the NA crowd. There's a lot of really fantastic things going on in the non-alcoholic world, and we're gonna start exploring those a little bit more. Today's episode is sponsored by Ritual. Ritual is a vitamin subscription service where you should be getting your vitamins. They have vitamins to support everybody's needs. And I was introduced by Ritual by my wife, actually. She had a subscription for a long time for some once-a-day vitamins. I asked her, she said, these are my multivitamins. I had no idea that they made multivitamins for men, and when I found out, I decided to subscribe right away. It's never too late to start a new ritual and incorporate a healthy habit into your routine. Building a lasting habit takes time and consistency, and Ritual makes it easy, delivering your vitamins to your door. So the first one that I have right here is the Essential for Men, which contains 10 high-quality nutrients like vitamin A, D, omega-3, and zinc that are difficult for men to get from their diet alone. They have a delayed-release capsule design, which is gentle on an empty stomach. Ritual is vegan-friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contains no added sugar. Fill in the gaps with your diet with Essential for Men, a small step that helps support a healthy foundation for your body. Ritual are offering 20% off your first month subscription by going to ritual.com/barfly20 or click the link below. So today's cocktail is the Neruda, which was created by bartender Marina Markovic for the bar at Lore in Brooklyn, New York City. It is a very satisfying highball, pretty much a gussied up Shirley Temple. It's like a Shirley Temple with a twist, and it's gonna be utilizing that lazy cinnamon syrup that we made a little while ago, so you guys have yet another cocktail to use to make this cinnamon syrup. Oh, and before we make the cocktail, you can absolutely cut some gin, vodka, or whatever else you want in here that you think will be good. I think gin would probably be the best in this drink, but you know, if you want to make it boozy, make it boozy. All right, let's get into it. So let's grab our tin here. Let's cut up a lemon. First things first, we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of our lazy cinnamon syrup, and 1 ounce of Grenadine. If you want to use commercial Grenadine, go ahead and do that. We also have a recipe, so click the link above for that recipe. Grab ourselves a nice highball glass. So first thing we're gonna do is actually grab some soda water, and we're actually gonna pour this soda water into the bottom of the glass. Just pour about 1.5 ounces or so, just to make sure that the cocktail does not layer on top, because if you shake this, before you put this in it, this has more sugar in it and it's going to be a lot denser than this. So if you shake this up, throw it into your cocktail, put ice in there, and then put soda on top, the soda's gonna layer. So I like to put a little bit of soda just into the bottom of the glass first, and then we shake our cocktail. And we're gonna give it a shake, 8 to 10 seconds. And strain. Then we are gonna add our ice. You wanna make sure to put a lot of ice in here because you wanna make sure that the ice goes from the bottom to the top of the cocktail. You don't wanna have ice like floating around in there. There you go. And then what we're gonna do is then we're just gonna top it up the rest of the way. And we got a nice foam on our cocktail, making it look very pretty. I'm getting Luxards up on my skewer. I need to push it up too, without. Oh man, it's so good. It's like a Shirley Temple with just a little bit more complexity. So you've got the lemon. The lemon is, you know, sweeter than lime, not as sharp, but still you get that tartness. You get the cinnamon like right up front. And what's really nice is that it's balancing out that lemon. The Grenadine gives it a little bit of body and a little bit of viscosity and then a little bit of savoriness to it. And it's just really nicely balanced. This is something that I could pound these. It's a lot of sugar, but I could pound them. So there it is, the Neruda. Today's pro tip's pretty obvious, and that is work non-alcoholic cocktails into your rotation on a regular basis. I don't think I'm the one that has to tell you that alcohol is not good for you and cocktails are not good for you and overconsumption is a real thing. Especially if you're a bartender where you're around booze all the time and everyone's pressuring you to take a family meal shot. A really good idea is to just work non-alcoholic cocktails into your rotation. So like now when I go out, I know that it's gonna be a long night. So what I do is I'll have one cocktail, right, to start, alcoholic. Then I'll have a couple of non-alcoholic cocktails in the middle, and then I'll end it with a nightcap. And there I've like spread my alcohol consumption out over the night. I get maybe a tiny bit tipsy, but I'm not getting drunk by any means, and I'm not gonna feel terrible in the morning. So definitely work these cocktails into your rotation. I'm gonna be doing more of them here on the channel so that you guys have more to choose from. I'm gonna be seeking out the best of the best and then also creating some of my own. So there you have it, guys. That's it. I'll see you guys on another time.